DJ B Chang back again for another online video DJ lesson on behalf of Active Learning and Dance Music Initiative. So today's lesson is actually a challenge to you. I want you to figure out one word that describes your sound as a DJ. Basically, what is that one word that is the common thread between all the songs that you like to play? So there's lots of ways to think about music. The easiest way is the overall sound, right? And the overall sound, or that word that describes the quality of a certain sound or music, is timbre. Timbre is the way that you can tell the difference between a trumpet and a drum. So some other things that are really important to understanding how music sounds could be the melody, right? The key or the pitch, the rhythm, the patterns, the speed, also known as tempo. All those things make up songs, and there's going to be some word that kind of describes all those songs that you like to play. So I'm going to let you in a little secret what my word is. The one word that describes the kind of music that I like to play is groove. So groove, the way I define it, is usually takes form or the shape of melodic bass lines. And melodic bass lines tend to be an underlying foundation of the song. Something that's kind of like there in the background, not necessarily the driving force, but kind of anchors the whole song. So other good words that you might consider, cheerful is a good word. Somber is an opposite, right? Something that's a little bit more down-tempo or melancholy. Something that is a little bit more on the sadder end, right? Some other good words are spacey, right? That's kind of cool. Sinister. Sinister is a cool word. You kind of got a really good picture of what sinister characters are when you watch cartoons and shows. Think of how that would sound in music, right? What would a sinister song sound like? Another great word is epic, right? A song that's really big and dramatic and cinematic and super in your face. Another good word is kooky, right? Songs that are weird or eclectic, kind of unusual. Those are all great words to describe your sound as a DJ. Try to limit yourself to one word. Some words that aren't so great, I'd say cool, awesome, upbeat. Those words are kind of generic. They don't really tell you a whole lot about what makes your sound unique compared to, say, any other DJ, right? Try to get real specific, but try to find one word, okay? So that's the challenge in today's lesson. This is DJ B Chang on behalf of Active Learning and Dance Music Initiative with another online video DJ lesson. Tune in next time to where we'll go over more great DJ tips.